Welcome guys to this session of Excel online tutorial. Uh, in this session, we'll learn about the split option of spreadsheets. Now, deliberately what I have done is, in the original table that I used to explain various features of Excel sheets, I have increased the number of columns in such a way that it has gone beyond the spreadsheet screen. So if you see, it has gone, see, it has gone much beyond this. Now, if you are entering some data, it will be so difficult to keep moving your scroll bar like this. For if you have to work on a couple of cells, it's okay. But if you are working on a table having 10,000 rows, it will be much difficult. So there it is, we have an option for split screen, split option for the screen. And if you remember, we had talked about freeze panes for freezing the heading of the spreadsheet. It is very similar to that, but more powerful than that. Suppose this is a table where we have to work on changing some data in these cells, and mostly we have to work on the right hand side of the spreadsheet in these columns. So what we can do is we can select any column. This is a view, this is for the menu bar command view. Go into view, and here you can see the cursor where it is said it is saying split. Just click on a split, and what it has done is it has split the screen in two parts. Now when I show you how I enter data in this, it will become self-explanatory to you. Now see, left hand side of the screen is static, and the right hand side of the screen I can move. Now I know that this side of the screen I don't have to change any data, but I need to change the telephone numbers, vendor telephone numbers. So I just say 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 4 3, go to the next one. So this thing doesn't go away out of our screen, and we keep on working on the right hand side when we are able to see the left hand side of the spreadsheet as well. It doesn't only work for the columns, but it works for the rows also. If you have got too many number of rows and you are finding difficult to do data entry because you have to scroll up and down a lot, then you can select a row and click on split, and you can see wherever I had selected, just below that, just on that row, it has split the screen into two parts horizontally. Now if you see here above body lotion, if I go, the rows, the columns below row number 4 have become static, and above that they are scrollable. So if I do it like this, see, then again if I go back, anything below row number 5 where my split line is there, below that line is static, and above that line I can scroll back, scroll up and down. So this is a very good feature when large number of you are handling with large number of columns and rows, and it will make your life much easier if you have this option. Any questions, do ask in the comment section, and I'll try my best to reply to you at the earliest. Thank you.